Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this simple, protective, natural hairstyle using some flat twist, and then I just put a ponytail in the back using some fake hair. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. So lately I have really just been feeling like putting my hair back into braids and not like using any products at all on it, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna try another style today. But this hair, my hair right now is like from a braid out. It was blown out before that, and I just been putting the braids in it to keep it stretched. So it is super stretch, and I'm gonna use minimal products. That way I won't have to keep washing the product out from product buildup. But I'm gonna show you how to do this flat twist hairstyle. I have never tried it before, but it's really cute, and I'm trying to kind of like expand my brain with hairstyles. But yes, but I have done flat twists before. I kind of struggle with them, but we're gonna get it together today. But the stuff I am gonna be using is a comb with the little pointy tip to part my hair, a wide toothbrush, a hard bristle brush, and a little bit of Eco Styler gel with argan oil, a scrunchie, of course, some of the little jewelry accessories. You probably can't see it right now, but some of the little jewelry accessories if I execute this hairstyle, and some bobby pins. And that is everything I'm gonna need. Oh yeah, and then maybe a scarf to lay down my edges depending on how they act today. So that's all I'm gonna need for this hairstyle pretty much. But I'm gonna start out by parting my hair. Maybe I should start over here. I'm gonna part it going all the way across. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my other hair in a ponytail while I clip off this area really quick. So then I'm gonna take this part right here and split it in half. No, not even in half, like a little slanted part, like that, just like that. And then I'm just gonna twist off this area until I am ready to use it. I got a feeling that this hairstyle is gonna go good. I just gotta keep an open mind, you know? So, in order to keep that from coming apart, I'm just gonna put a bobby pin on the end of it. And now we're gonna work on the back section. And basically, we're gonna be pushing this back section down. And like I said, my hair is mostly already detangled and everything. It's like super stretched. I know I haven't been doing as many hairstyles as I want to do, but sometimes I get so caught up. I get so excited about a hairstyle. I get in a rush and I just completely forget to record it. And I be like, you could have just recorded that for them. Because I know that you guys love natural hairstyles. So I'm going to do better with that. For those of you who don't know already, I do now will have an uploading schedule. It will be Sunday and Wednesdays at 12 o'clock. So yeah, every Sunday and Wednesday at 12. And I'm gonna take that hard bristle brush kinda and comb that down. I don't want my back part to be super sleek, so I'm not gonna make it sleek. I just kind of want it back. My hair is like super freaking thick too, like super thick. I'm gonna put a little bit of that Eco Styler on this back part right here. I have another hairstyle in mind after this one that I might be doing later this week. Okay, I got that into a ponytail. Now I'm gonna work on my flat twist. And I'm not really concerned about how the back is looking too much. I'm more worried about the front part with these flat twists. So I'm taking a little of that Eco Styler and putting it on my edges. And then I'm just gonna attempt to flat twist that. And then I'm gonna take my bobby pin and I'm gonna stick that right here. I'm using my bobby pins because my hair haven't got quite long enough to like reach to my ponytail. So yeah, just took the bobby pin and then we're gonna do this side. Let me go see something because I swear I'm keep hearing stuff. I ain't feeling how my hair is just sitting back here like this, so what I'm gonna do is I have some extra weave. Hold on. That I'm gonna use when I get it together. Let's see. Okay, I have this weave right here, and now what I'm gonna do is take a rubber band and put it on here, and I'm gonna use this to go on my actual ponytail. And I'm just putting it on my ponytail like a regular rubber band hairstyle, and I'm gonna wrap that around my ponytail. So then I'm just gonna pull out something right here, pull out my little side pieces and twirl it to give it a little bit more oomph, I guess. So now I'm gonna add my little hair pieces to give it a little spiciness. I always forget about my freaking hair pieces. Every time. So I added my hair pieces and this is the finish. And this is the back of it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Like, the struggle was low-key real, but it was nowhere near the struggle that I usually go through in my videos to do my hair. So I mean, I guess that's a good thing. Like, I didn't like the first ponytail. I had to take the whole hairstyle back out, but this is what I came up with. I don't really have a choice because I gotta leave, but I'm definitely gonna post this video because I kind of actually like how it turned out. I didn't use too much product or any of that, but as always, be sure to follow me on all my social medias down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more hair tutorials, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thanks you guys so much for 700 subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next video.